community has neighbors disgusted. Who would cut up a beautiful horse?
A sinking feeling off the coast of southwest Florida, where beachgoers are watching a barge slip beneath the surface of the Gulf. But first,
a rapidly unfolding investigation in Fort Myers tonight after multiple people were shot in broad daylight. And thanks for choosing Fox 4 News at 6. I'm Amy Wegman.
I'm Patrick Nolan. Lee County Sheriff's deputies say the victims were dropped off at the emergency room at Health Park Medical Center in South Fort Myers after they were reportedly shot not too far away in the Harlem Heights area this morning. 4 in your corner's Lisa Greenberg joining us live from the hospital. She's got the very latest tonight. Lisa?
Patrick and Amy, the entrance to this emergency room here in Health Park looking much different than it did this morning. It was surrounded by caution tape and squad cars, and hospital staff were working to clean up drops of blood by the front door. Now, there's still a lot of unanswered questions about what led up to that moment, but let's start with what we do know. The emergency entrance at Health Park Hospital in Fort Myers looking more like a crime scene this morning. Deputies tell me multiple victims were shot and brought into the ER. A man waiting inside the hospital says 2 guys came into the ER around 8:30 in the morning with gunshot wounds. One shot in the leg, the other in the arm. After speaking with the victims, investigators were sent to the Harlem Heights Community Center, where they found this 4-door dark gray Volkswagen that they say is related to the shooting. The car has since been towed away. And not far from the community center, deputies were scanning the neighborhood and speaking with residents. Neighbors I spoke with didn't want to be on camera, but tell me this isn't the first time they've had to deal with a shooting in the area, and say there should be more of a police presence in Harlem Heights. Now, we don't know the condition of the victims or the extent of their injuries at this time, and we also don't know what brought them here to Health Park this morning, but you can count on 4 in your corner to bring you the latest in this developing investigation. We're live in Fort Myers. Lisa Greenberg, Fox 4 in your corner.